Kids with fire in our shoes, running wild with nothing left to lose. Summer nights and cheap guitar strings, dreaming bigger than the world could bring. Backseat roads and city lights, laughing loud till morning rise. We thought forever stayed that way, golden hearts that wouldn't fade. And time kept rolling like the ocean tide, carrying every dream we held inside. From young to gray, we danced through the years, through the sunshine, heartbreak, laughter and tears, passport stamps and oceans blue, sunny beaches with the wandering crew. Now our hair is silver, but our souls still play, singing to the sunset at the end of the day. Oh, life was never meant to stay the same, but every wrinkle tells a beautiful name. We chased trains through Paris rain, sailed the islands, crossed the plains, shared cold drinks on tropical sand with old best friends and strangers hand in hand. Some fell in love, some drifted far, some became stories under stars, but every road led back somehow to the peace we're living now. And every wave that touched the shore reminded us to ask for more. From young to gray, we danced through the years, through the sunshine, heartbreak, laughter and tears, passport stamps and oceans blue, sunny beaches with the wandering crew. Now our hair is silver, but our souls still play, singing to the sunset at the end of the day. Oh, life was never meant to stay the same, but every wrinkle tells a beautiful name. One day the mirror started showing time, but our hearts still beat like old drum lines. Barefoot walking where the palm trees sway, still finding magic in another day.